see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is up, we saw no one. We alone, yeah.
What do you mean?
Hey Google, pause. Hey Google, pause. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all y'all out there. I think, well, my Canadian family, I should say, because I know the States is next month, November. Anyways, in the kitchen, cooking up some chicken. We got our chicken right here. It's not done yet. Just adding in some potatoes and basting it. It's not basting, it's basting. It's basting.
Basting.
Look up this, Daddy. So on the menu today, we got chicken, whole chicken. We got some cutty goats, still cooking. We got some cutty goats. And then we also have turkeys in the oven. We have turkey in the oven. What else we got?
I got salmon going over.
Oh my god, we got salmon. Yo, long time I haven't had no salmon. We're gonna do a potato salad. What's this, Daddy? What is this?
You like it? I like it.
Daddy, what's this?
That's the salmon.
Okay, so this is the salmon.
Want to see it?
Sure.
Before it's cooked?
Yeah, so salmon cooks really fast, so this is like the last thing that's gonna go in. Usually we do it on the stove, but you can also do it in the oven. You can also grill it too.
I'm gonna bake it.
Yeah, we're baking this one. So this is the salmon. Ooh.
This thing, honey?
So we got some potato, mushroom, lemon, onion, seasoning up and everything. So this is just literally gonna cook right in this pan, and there's butter in there. You know when you're cooking any type of fish, like butter is it.
I got butter, wine.
Oh, there's wine in there too.
Lots of butter.
Yeah, definitely a lot of butter, as you can see. Okay, yeah, so this is going in the oven. We're gonna do a potato salad, like I said. We also got some salad, and then we're just here cleaning up a little bit, even though there's no such thing as cleaning in this house, because when you got kids, as soon as you clean, it's like it makes no sense, because it just gets back messy.
Yeah, we only clean if you're coming over here.
Anyways, I got my tea, because tea first thing in the morning just makes the body feel right.
Why?
Sean doesn't drink tea, so of course we're gonna say it's a lie. Sean's an occasional tea drinker. I'm drinking Tetley. Usually I go for like ginger or mint, but this morning, because I'm dipping my bread in my tea, I have to go with the Tetley tea. What? Say what you have to say. What? Morning people. Anyways, I'm gonna go do what I was doing and finish play our music and stuff like that, because the music right now is just setting the vibe. So we'll check back in. Because I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. You do it. Okay, come. You guys, Ziggy's trusting me right now.
Yeah, just put yes and then push it to it.
Why is it so hot?
It's not left recipe on me for the fat jar,
Holy shit. It's hot.
This is not that hot, that hot.
Okay.
Just hold it on sideways, so. Or so.
Like this?
Yeah.
You have to hold your face? No?
No, buddy. Okay. Dry it back.
But I can see it coming off. It's just your hair is long. You ready to watch? Yeah.
Thank you.
Want me to take off yours? No. Last year Nyla was like small. This girl wants her plate.
No planting. No planting.
make a waffle, but you know, you guys don't want to see the other side. Or maybe I should.
You're sleeping.
It's my masterpiece, though.
Are you guys watching TV? Ziggy, you watching TV? Are you watching TV?
Sleeping.
Hi, little Zoe.
Say, get the
You
hell
guys,
out
tell
my
me her
face.
face is not cute, though. It's so little and cute.
Uh-oh. Oh.
I think Nyla's scared of the breeze. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Nyla, what's wrong? Too much breeze? I need to see her lip though. My girl push up her lip. What's wrong with you? We came for a little evening walk with Zaddy Ziggy over here, but the wind is kind of blowing. The wind's like really blowing, not kind of, it's like really blowing. You wanna go on the swing? You wanna go on the swing? The dog. That's a big dog. This girl loves the slide. She likes to slide. That's exactly where she's going. I go down the slide with her. On the next one, yeah. This one. I just sit pedestrian. Go, mama, go, slide. Come, mama, come. She's good, Z. She's good. She's good. Oh no, mama. You okay? Yeah! You okay? Why didn't you catch her? Yeah. Oh no, but you know what? Oh, maybe it's these pants is super. When she comes to the bar, you have to hold her. Usually she's fine, but the pants I usually put her in, like Mama, you okay? You okay? But she can come down herself. Come, Mama. Come. 1, 2, 3. Yay! No, you have to put them back on. It's cold. So guys, we're actually heading back up because it's brisk. It is brisk, but I just wanted her to couldn't bring her here and not go on the slide. So she went on that for a little. So yeah, we're just going back inside and we're gonna order some pizza. It's a weekend. Ziggy, you owe me pizza from yesterday. This guy owed me pizza from yesterday. Yo, where I live, the sunset is so pretty. I can just be out my room and just look outside and yo, that's one thing I always love. Like I love to see the sunset and I love to see it rise. Like I'd love to just go somewhere in a mountain and just sit and just watch the sunrise. But yeah, that's what we're doing for the evening. I think I have to get a new memory card for my camera because the files keep corrupting. It's the second time. I literally filmed a haul and I lost the footage. Like I'm over it. I need to get a new memory card. I had the memory card for a couple years now. I think it's time to get a new one. Hey, 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 hey. Boo! Boo! So yo guys, Pat sent Nyla some clothes, right? This pants she had since she was little, it's so baggy, like they definitely cater to certain type of kids. And it's not Nyla. What's that? Let's go, run home, run, go catch Dada. Actually might need to drop, this is a hill. Drop it, yeah. Okay, go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. No, yo, I was just saying the same thing. I'm like, I was trying to look up movies to watch the other day, and I'm like, I don't even know what movies are out.
Well, I should they just look. They're horrible. Like the ratings I'm gonna give them is like,
Yeah.
3 out of 10.
Why are you dragging your foot, fam?
You know, just some walk,
No, you better lift it up.
Yeah, they're okay.
You're just gonna rub out the bottom of your shoes. Now, like, careful.
And then Jeff come, you can hear Jeff come from weird and say, you smell your come from.
That means your boots are big. For that to happen, your boots have to be really big. So y'all, me and Ziggy got into a fight, and look how he scratched on my face. No, I'm joking. I was using my suction blackhead remover on my face last night, and I guess I kept it in the spot too long. It literally like gave me like a hickey on my face or something. Looked like someone scratched me like this. But anyways, so after our Thanksgiving dinner, we chilled and watched like 2 or 3 movies. We watched this movie by Meek Mill. It was really good. What was it called again, Z? Charm in the City. Charm in the City? I don't even remember the damn movie, but it's Meek Mill's movie. If you Google it, it was good. It was a really good watch. Then we watched Are We There Yet? Even though that's old. Yes, Mama? Okay, we got Dr. Nyla here. She wants to check up on me. Okay. Ow, I have a boo-boo. My girl's gone. But anyways, yeah, so we watched those movies. I think we watched another one too. I don't remember the name, but we just chilled the whole night. I didn't vlog for us tonight because I was just like more in a chill mood, trying to enjoy the moment, you know. It was Thanksgiving, so we were just chilling together because everyone's usually working, so it's really odd times that we get to like be together all together. Yes, Mama? I have a boo-boo. Here, fix it. She's gone again. Yeah, so that's what we did. I got a few shout outs that I have to do before I end off this vlog. Yes, Mama? What happened? Yeah? Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, so I have 2 shout outs to give, and I'm really excited about this one because it's 2 more families that are located in Canada. Big up your guys' self. Shout out to all my Canadian families, my Canadian vlogger families, I should say. Did that make sense? My Canadian vlogger families. Big up your guys' self. Keep grinding, keep pushing. So the first shout out is going to the Hilton's family. They're a family of 4. As I said, they're located in Canada. She has her 2 daughters, and then she has herself. Her name is Kayan and her husband Adrian. Big up your guys' self. So basically their channel is just like a very chill type of vibe. They do vlogs where they hang out with each other. They do videos where they're going on little adventures. They like spending family time together. So if you're looking for really chill family vlogs to check out, or family channel, check out the Hilton's family. Yeah, so make sure you guys go over to the Hilton's family channel, show them some love, like up their videos, comment on their videos, let them know that the newbie fam sent you guys over there. Big up yourself, Hilton family. As I said, make sure you guys go and support the black YouTuber them. Yes, we need to support each other, okay guys? There's room for everyone. Nothing wrong with supporting another person's channel and subscribing, okay? The next shout out goes to, so the channel name is Scott Family 8. They're a family of 8. They're a vlog channel. They do challenges. They do a whole bunch of different type of videos. If you're looking for another family channel to go and support and watch, like I said, they are funny. Go over there, head over to their channel and check out their video. I watched one of their wings challenges, and guys, I literally was dying, okay? Highly recommend you guys go over there and support the Scott Family 8. Subscribe to their channel, like, comment, let them know that the newbie fam sent you guys over. Pardon the background noise. Yeah, just let them know that newbie family sent you guys over there. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Like, honestly, you don't really see a lot of black family YouTube channels, and I feel like we need to support each other. There's room for everyone, as I always say. Just support, subscribe to each other. You're always welcome to drop your channel name down below, and subscribe to each other. Support each other, guys. Support each other. I have some videos that I have to go edit, then I have a clip that I have to redo and all this ish. So I'm ending the vlog right here. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Well, I hope my Canadians had a great Thanksgiving. Big up your guys' self. Thank you for always supporting the newbie fam. Shout out to everyone who's always showing us continuous love and support. What else I gotta say? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below because I love reading your guys' comments. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
care for you, you're alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on.